done an upgrade with our meat grinder. We have here an LEM Big Bite number 8 dual grind meat grinder, 1/2 horsepower. Now what we have in here right now is the 4.5 millimeter grinding plate, which is the first one with all the holes in it. And then behind it we have the double blade knife. Hey, we'll get it disassembled and lay them out here and show you what we have. This is the first grind plate. And after that, we got the double blade knife. It cuts as it leaves the first grind plate and it cuts again as it enters into the second grind plate. And you can choose which second grind plate you want to use, the 4.5 millimeter or the 10 millimeter. And this plate is used to stuff sausages. It's the stuffing plate. Notice the hole in the center is smaller. So as this is set up for a dual grind, it saves that second step. If you'll notice, a lot of them, they go for a second grind on their meats when they're grinding it. Well, this eliminates the second grind and you get a dual grind in one pass. And now we put on the double blade knife. It cuts it as it comes through that first grind plate, and then it cuts it as it enters the second grind plate. And then we add the collar, and this will hold it all in place. And this machine is quiet running, which makes it awesome. And it says to snug it a little bit and then back it off just a little bit. Now, in order to stuff sausages, all you put on is the stuffing plate. It looks like the first grind plate, but the hole in the center is smaller, which keeps it from going all the way back. You line it up just like all the others with a little notch, and then you put your tube through your collar, the one you're going to use, and attach it. And there you have it. And you also have a drawer for storage. It's spring loaded. You just push it to open it and push it to close it. I like this. Well, I just thought I'd share my new upgrade meat grinder. I'm not being paid by this company, nor am I doing this to advertise for them. I just wanted to show you my new improved addition to meat grinding and sausage making. Hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing.